Here's the fix for the bad gas strut on these Sentry biometric gun safes. This is a QAP1 or 2, whatever. I guess they're all the same. QAP1BE. There's the fix. Real simple. You take this gas strut off, you remove that nut right there. Then you remove that screw right there. Sorry, my phone's not focusing. And you take this gas strut out. And on the end of the gas strut is a yoke. You unscrew that from the shaft of the gas strut. And you get yourself a longer spring, or a couple of small springs. I had some small springs here in a drawer. It didn't cost me anything. I had that spring in there. And you just put a heavy-duty spring on there. Just make sure it's not too long so it'll close, and there's your fix. You don't have to wait an hour on the phone to Sentry and then for them to tell you they don't have them in stock, and if they did it was 20 bucks plus shipping, which is about $30. So now it works fine. No problem opening. It's open enough to get in there without a butter knife or a handle or a piece of wire. So all you have to do is take the gas strut off, take the yoke off, put a longer spring or a couple of smaller springs, and it'll pop right open. Hope you enjoyed this fix.